on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. Outside the gas station, man. I was just getting some coffee and filling up, and I was just thinking about a couple things, man. You know, I think a lot of my people are stuck in the South, stuck in certain places because they're intimidated to move on their own. You know, a lot of people want to have someone that they know in whatever city that they're going to kind of feel comfortable. Sometimes you can't have that luxury, you know what I mean? I moved out here to Phoenix. I ain't have nobody to depend on, literally nobody. And everything that's working out, you know, I can't tell you it's been easy. I'll be lying to you. But I had to make that sacrifice to walk on faith. And I think that's the same thing majority of my brothers got to do. If you're in a town or in a place where the opportunity is small, get somewhere where you have more opportunity, where you can hustle yourself even more and get more out of your life than just sitting in an area where everybody is controlling everything that you do. You know what I mean? So I would say, man, build up enough faith, build up enough courage to get out on your own, to go knock on some doors, to go put some flyers out, to go see where you fit in at another area. Because believe me or not, there's needs everywhere. Hold on.